So that's the barrier for this SMEs to mobilize funding. And around investment, including our synergy, the fact that as entrepreneurs are really good at what they do, which is running the business and mobilizing the resources that they need to make the business work. And sometimes they just struggle to understand the language of investors. Okay. So the initiative, the integration of USAID with those barriers was really under the framework that we call investment facilitation. Essentially, USAID provided funding across boundaries to identify potential companies that need to raise and have the potential to attract investments. And then we do what we call investment readiness, getting them ready so that we can engage with investors. That include sometimes work on market study, working on some investment documentation, introducing them to investors, do the negotiation after the transaction close. So what that has done through the engagement, we're able to raise up to date about close to 12 million USD across 6 different companies, and we are expecting an additional 135 million hopefully by the end of the year, as we're pretty much done with the work that is waiting for the transaction to close. Created over 400 jobs. The majority of these jobs will be, women, okay, and impacted a number of smallholder farmers. We're talking about like 50,000 smallholder farmers. So through the funding that these companies have been able to raise, they in aggregate mobilized, I think, generated about 30 million, over 30 million in new sales. And I think the majority of that will have to go to the US and to Europe as export. So obviously, next slide please. In addition to this funding, I think it's important to articulate what this means for these businesses, right? So through the support that the trade have supported through our help, this company were able to sustain in some cases, sometimes amplify the